Have you ever wondered how a simple tube of toothpaste transforms your smile? Every year, the world churns out billions of these tubes, each packed with the magic to turn our teeth sparkling clean. It's fascinating how toothpaste, a concoction of hard minerals and abrasive substances, morphs into a smooth, minty treat for our teeth. This marvel of manufacturing isn't just about the paste. Those catchy stripes in your toothpaste have their own story too. We took a trip to the Colgate factory to uncover the secrets behind one of the world's favorite toothpaste. A brand that started in the early 19th century, with William Colgate, an English immigrant, at the helm. He didn't begin with toothpaste, but with soap and candles in New York. Colgate's commitment to excellence soon led it to branch out into the world of oral care. By the mid-1800s, the company was creating scented soaps and, crucially, toothpaste. The year 1873 was a game-changer. Colgate rolled out the first tube-packaged toothpaste, revolutionizing the way we maintain our dental hygiene. Gone were the days of toothpaste in jars. The tube was here to stay. Colgate didn't stop there. Its dedication to scientific research sparked innovations like fluoride toothpaste, significantly boosting our fight against dental decay. Throughout the 20th century, Colgate blossomed into a global phenomenon. Today, it's more than just a toothpaste brand. It's a household name in over 150 countries, preventing cavities and freshening breath in homes worldwide. This journey from a modest soap business to a global oral care leader is a testament to the power of innovation and quality. Today's toothpaste is like a superhero for our teeth. It not only keeps them pearly white, but also guards against gum disease and those dreaded cavities. But have you ever wondered how this everyday miracle is made? The process is a real eye-opener, blending science and machinery in an amazing way. The process starts with basic things like rock and sand. Yes, you heard right. These simple ingredients play a huge role in keeping our teeth clean. This factory is a busy bee, churning out 1 million tubes of toothpaste every day to meet the world's huge demand. The ingredients arrive in big trucks ready to be transformed. They're not just random stuff. Each one has a special role. There's sodium fluoride, the cavity-fighting ninja, and abrasives like silica and calcium carbonate that gently brush away the bad stuff from our teeth. And let's not forget sodium bicarbonate, another cleaning whiz. The transformation is nothing short of magic. Water, the unsung hero, blends all these ingredients together. But toothpaste isn't just about cleaning. It's got to taste and smell good too, right? That's where flavoring agents come in. Then there are colorants to make it look pretty, foaming agents to get it all bubbly, binders to keep it just the right consistency, pH regulators for balance, and humectants to stop it from drying out. That's where preservatives come into play, ensuring your toothpaste stays good for longer. It's like a symphony of chemicals, each with its own hard-to-pronounce name. But together, they have one mission: to keep our teeth safe from cavities. Now, getting these chemicals in just the right amounts is quite the task. Imagine having to measure some ingredients by the ton and others by the kilo. It's not something you do in your kitchen. After all the weighing and measuring, it's time to mix things up. Here's where the magic happens. In comes a high-capacity mixer, a piece of machinery that's all about precision and consistency. It's not your average kitchen mixer. This one deals with whopping quantities, mixing up to 5 tons in just 5 minutes. These mixers are powerhouses, crushing the coarse ingredients and blending them with pinpoint accuracy. They even add a special gel to get everything just right. The heart of the factory is where you'll find giant agitators spinning at speeds that would make your head spin. We're talking about 2,500 revolutions per minute, which is like a car zooming at 30 kilometers per hour. In these tanks, the mixture turns into something like dough, a perfect blend of all the ingredients. Once everything is perfectly mixed, it's time to cook. The mixture is heated in large aluminum pots and carefully controlled to prevent any unwanted reactions. It's like baking a giant batch of toothpaste cookies, with each batch filling about 30,000 tubes. Just imagine that! Getting toothpaste just right is all about precision. It's got to be smooth, with no lumps to spoil the texture. When you peek inside one of the boilers, it's like looking into a giant bowl filled with glossy icing. Spatulas are used to scrape off any excess sticking to the blades, ensuring the toothpaste is perfectly smooth. Once it has reached the ideal consistency, the toothpaste begins a journey through a network of pipes, heading to a pressurized chamber. This is where it gets ready for its final destination, the toothpaste tube. But wait, there's something we're missing. The iconic stripes! Adding these colorful stripes is a real art. They might not have active ingredients, but they're crucial for the toothpaste's appeal. The challenge is to add them without mixing them into the white base. The solution? A laboratory where experts test the toothpaste's thickness, making sure the stripes stay distinct and the paste squeezes out just right. Interestingly, research has found that people generally prefer striped toothpaste over plain varieties. So the colored liquid is carefully blended with the plain toothpaste. The colors, synthetic shades of red and blue, might not seem appealing on their own, but they're completely safe. And when they're mixed in, they become part of the charming striped pattern we see when we squeeze the tube. It's like a little bit of toothpaste magic right there in your bathroom. Toothpaste isn't just about keeping your teeth clean. It's also about the experience, which is why it comes in a variety of colors and flavors. Mint might be the most familiar flavor, but the range is vast. Imagine a team of chemists like flavor artists using essential oils to create just the right taste. They mix different oils in various proportions, crafting almost any flavor imaginable. It's like a culinary experiment, but for your toothpaste. In a dedicated testing department, experts spend countless hours ensuring each new flavor hits the mark. They know that even a small change in the toothpaste's thickness can be a big deal, making their role in quality control crucial. Their meticulous efforts ensure that every batch meets strict standards. But there's one more trick up the toothpaste sleeve, those iconic stripes. How do they get in there without messing up the rest? The secret is in the use of separate dispensers in the filling machine. This clever system pumps the toothpaste through pipes, carefully placing each color side by side in the tube without mixing them. The machine works like a well-oiled clock, filling 180 tubes every minute, with each tube getting precisely 70 grams of toothpaste. Once the tubes are filled, they're sealed tight. This isn't just about keeping the paste from spilling out. It's about keeping it fresh and safe from any outside nasties. When a batch is complete, a sample is taken for one last check, ensuring everything is perfect. It's a process that combines science, art, and a bit of magic to bring us the toothpaste we use every day. So, after all that goes into making it, how exactly does toothpaste work its magic on your teeth? It's all about a double-action cleaning strategy. One part chemical, the other mechanical. On the chemical side, certain ingredients in the toothpaste react with bacteria and grime on your teeth, breaking them down. This not only cleans your teeth, but also helps protect your mouth. Then there's the mechanical part. As you brush, small solid particles in the toothpaste gently scrub your teeth, helping to remove any leftover food or plaque. Now back in the factory, the toothpaste tubes are ready for their final journey. They're placed on a conveyor belt in groups of 15, and a special machine twists each one to align the label just right. This step is super important, otherwise the tubes might end up looking all wonky once they're filled and sealed. Next up, the tubes are packed into boxes. But it's not just about tossing them in, there's a science to it. Each box should hold exactly 24 tubes, and to make sure of this, they're weighed. A full box should tip the scales at just over 1350 grams. If a box is too light, it means it's missing a tube or two and is quickly set aside. Only the boxes that pass this test get sealed and are ready to be shipped off to stores. From a mix of simple ingredients to a neatly packed box of toothpaste, it's quite the journey. Each step is carefully managed to make sure that when you squeeze that tube onto your brush, you're getting the best clean possible.